Hi, do you want to know how to become a Kartra affiliate? Because there's some steps you need to know about when you apply for the Kartra partner program. So I just want to show you how this works. I just created my new Kartra account here. And if you do not have Kartra, you do not need a Kartra account to become a Kartra affiliate. But I would highly recommend that you at least check out the 30-day trial. If you do not know how to get that, just check out this page, Kartra Bonus, where I show you all the amazing bonuses that you get if you sign up with my affiliate link. And there's also a video that will show you how to extend your Kartra trial to 30 days instead of 14 days. For this, you would just need the link FindFocus.net recommends Kartra, and this will lead you to the bonus, to the sign up page for Kartra that is not available on the official homepage. So just make sure that you go here and then you can sign up for Kartra. And after the page loads, you will get an exit pop-up, and this will get you the 30-day trial for Kartra. Once you signed up, you can log into your brand new Kartra account, and then you would need to go to a second link because you will differently apply for the Kartra partner program. For this, you will need to click on the link FindFocus.net recommends Kartra partner program, and then you get on this page here, and here you would click the affiliate sign up. Afterwards, you will be connected to a secure server, and then you will need to answer these questions. So let's go through them, and I'll tell you exactly what you need to answer in order to get approved for the Kartra partner program. So how do you know about Kartra? Here you can simply type in my name, which will give you some bonus points because Jennifer Daniels, who is responsible for the Kartra affiliate program, really knows my name, and we're close friends. So then you enter your primary website. If you do not have a website, then just leave this empty, or just write honestly that you do not have a website right now, that you actually will build this in Kartra. I think this will give you some more bonus points as well. Then just estimate like how many friends you have on Facebook and on Twitter and on all your social media accounts combined. Probably you have something like 1,500. I do not know. But just type in a realistic number here. Then if you're just starting out as an affiliate for Kartra, just be honest and just type 0, and I'm just starting out. So the main goal here is to be just completely honest, but many people make the mistake that they just do not take the time to fill out these questions one by one, and this will get you disapproved. And then here you can say whatever you want. I will reach out to local business owners. So one by one. So just be completely honest. You do not have to make anything up here. You will still get approved for the Kartra program. You just have to make sure that you're answering that your answers actually make sense. So do you plan to offer a bonus for your customers who purchase? Yes, I will help them to set up their Kartra accounts. So this is probably the best bonus that you can offer if you really want to get new affiliates for Kartra. This is what I'm offering right now, as well, as you could see on my Kartra bonus page. And this is really to help people get started with Kartra, because Kartra is such an amazing system, but it takes some time to get used to it, and it's really helpful if you have somebody who guides you the way and helps you how to set up your Kartra account first. And that's why I'm creating all these videos here. Will you doing any Facebook or pay-per-click advertising? I don't do this, but if you do, just make sure that you do not bid on any Kartra or Genesis Digital terms, because this is a violation against their terms and conditions. So make sure you read the affiliate terms and conditions as well. But basically, this or just read my blog post that I wrote about this. But basically, you're not allowed to bid on terms like Kartra or Kartra Trail or something for in Google or in YouTube. And then you're safe to go. But you could bid on terms like email marketing or any other terms that you think will be profitable for people who want to sign up for Kartra. Then, no, I have not. Have you ever promoted? No, I have not. Is there any other support that you need in promoting? No, I'm fine. Your company name, FindFocus, alias for your brand. I don't have one. What's your Skype or profile name or Skype connected email? Mine is the legend. So, 1402, which is still a name from my old poker days when I was a professional poker player. So then you just click next, and then you have to agree on the actual terms, and then you click on become an affiliate, and then your request will be reviewed, and sometimes it takes a couple of hours, sometimes it takes like up to 3 business days until Jennifer Daniels from Kartra will review this. But this is basically it. And afterwards, you will see in your Kartra account in my affiliate promotions that you're not you're not approved. But later on, you will see all the different things that you can promote. And here, this is actually where you get your Kartra affiliate links. So I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'm happy to help you. Have a great day.